Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Pam and I do lots of DIYs and random videos. So today I will show you how to use a necktie as a belt, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and join the Arty farm. So let me do that real quick. Let me show you how to use your boyfriend's, husband's, friend's, brother's necktie as a belt. I'm gonna take this front part because you want the widest part, the front. Then you're just going to put it like that, and then this is going round like that. So we have this, and then this crosses over the thick part, and make sure that it crosses at the center. You see where the tie is pointed, so make sure it is covered, and just adjust it to how tight you want it to be. Okay, so like that. Okay, and then you're gonna go around again like that, so my back looks like that. And then when you get here, so you have this and this. So what you're going to do is take a safety pin and from the inside, not sure if you can be able to see, but from the inside of this thin one, the one that goes around, you just secure it. So I'm gonna do it like that. So like that. It's just securing with a pin, so it's nothing really complicated, so that it holds like that. And then just adjust everything and have it how you like it. You can adjust everything so that you have a belt, a cute belt. Yeah. I think I should pull this down a bit. Yeah. So basically, that's it. Such a cute little belt. Whichever color you like, however you want it, on a top. Let me do it on a dress so that you can see it, how it looks. Yay!